Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful orange ombre birthday cake for my church's dream birthday celebration. You can stay with me as I show you how to make this beautiful cake you are seeing. These are the ingredients and tools we are using for today's ombre orange cake. We have our buttercream frostings here, which we've colored in the shade orange, and then this is our plain one. We have our cake layers here, all our 6-inch cake layers, and then one is also colored in the shade of orange. We also have our fondant cutouts here, reading the instruction using for the cake. We have our chocolates. We also have our sprinkles. We have the syrup, and then the tools we'll be using: our scrapers, the knife, we have the spatula, the silicone spatula, our complete cake box set, the turntable, the solution tape, among others. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So I'm going to slice the cake tops on the serving tray so that when I pick it up and start working on it, it will be a bit easier for me. I'll do so for all 3 cake layers and then we'll start assembling. So we'll place on the first cake layer, then we'll add the syrup to it. We'll add some of the frosting, spread it nicely. So we'll add the chocolates in the middle. We are going to trim off all the excesses from it. We do this so that when you are frosting, the cake looks as straight as possible. So I'm going to start crumb-coating the cake with our cake mix and frosting here. Looks like after crumb-coating, I'm going to take it off the board and then place it into the fridge. So these are the buttercream frostings we are using, from the deepest shade through to the lightest. I'll scoop them into piping bags and then we'll continue to use it on our cold cake. This is how the cake looks like after taking it out of the fridge. So I'm going to start piping on the bottom all the way from the lightest color to the deepest. So this is how the cake looks like. I'm going to start smoothing it out with our scraper here. We'll also be using this at a point. Since the cake is cold, the frosting is also kind of glued to it and is very cold. So I'm going to be adding hot water to this one here, and then we'll be using it to smoothen it out. That's it, we have our cake all done. So I'm going to arrange the June inscription here on the bottom part of the cake. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to make some piping decorations on it, and then we'll add the topper and our sprinkles here. So this is our cake after all the piping. I'm going to throw some sprinkle balls around it. Not too much, just a little bit. And also on top. Then we'll add our birthday topper to it. And this is our cake. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.